When I think about what you can do with visual thinking skills, 3 specific things come to mind. 3 types of tasks that would benefit from bringing in hand-sketched drawings or diagrams as you're working on something interesting. First of all, I consider this skill to be a powerful learning tool. In this case, what you're doing is processing new information that's coming in. This could be a book that you're reading, a podcast that you're listening to, a workshop that you're attending. When you process that incoming information using both words and sketches, you're tapping into the benefits of dual coding. You're giving your brain the opportunity to process that new information through both the visual networks of the brain and the verbal networks of the brain. And that combination has been shown to be super powerful and to support retention of those ideas. Visual thinking is also a powerful problem-solving tool. Here, rather than just taking in new information, you are working with some set of ideas and you're trying to make sense of those ideas. You're trying to wrap your head around some situation going on in your personal life, in your professional life, and figure out how to move forward. Here, the primary benefit of visual thinking is cognitive offloading. You're getting the elements of that problem out of your head so that you can see them and interact with them to get a holistic view of the situation so that you can come up with a better solution. And the third way that I like to think about this skill of visual thinking is as a communication tool. Here, it's about sharing ideas with others. You have something interesting that you just learned that you want to share. You have a story that you'd like to tell, a business that you need to describe. If you want to be able to communicate well what you're up to, it can be very effective to wrap up that message into a cohesive drawing or diagram that maybe even you sketch out by hand as you share that ideas with others. This video and all of my videos are examples of using visual thinking as a communication tool. And in this case, I'm sharing this particular model that I refer to as the sketch trifecta. This is why I get so excited about the field of visual thinking. The fact that you as an individual, or maybe even as a team at work, can develop a single skill that has many uses. It's a skill that can be applied to pretty much anything that you're working on, which is why I encourage you to put it to work. Think about the projects that you've got going on right now. Pick one of those projects and put this skill to work. Identify something that's maybe not going as smoothly as you'd like, an area of your life or work that needs a little bit of extra momentum to it, and see if some handmade mark making helps you start making progress. Here are some examples you might consider. Within my program Sketch Instinct right now, we've got a book club going where we're using visual thinking as a learning tool while we read and sketch out a good book together. Within my program Sketch Strategy, I help leadership teams develop and use this skill as a problem-solving tool. Within your weekly meetings, as you're identifying issues that need to be resolved, first you've got to understand those issues, not just on a surface level, but get to the root cause of whatever's going on. Visual thinking helps you get to that root cause, and then chart a path forward. And then my third big program, Sketch Ed, brings these skills to the education setting to help teachers develop this skill as an instructional tool while introducing it to their students so that they can use it as a learning and problem-solving tool. Those are just a few examples of the types of projects you might apply these skills to. If another has come up for you, get to work on it. And if you'd like to weave me into those projects through one of those 3 programs that I just described, you can learn more at verbaltovisual.com. Because the sooner you start developing this skill, the sooner you'll be able to use it as a learning tool and a problem-solving tool and a communication tool within projects that are important to you. So, get to sketching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then.